Hey, it's Grace with Boujee Beaks in Haven. And guess what? It's time to check the eggs today. They've been in for 14 days. This will be my last time candling them unless I have a question about one of them. So let's see how they're doing. Now, if you remember last time, they were just a little blob. Today, they should be a great big blob. Let's see. Ooh, that one does not look good. Look at that. Okay. That one looks like it started to develop and then did not. Something weird is happening with this egg. I'm not seeing any movement, so we are going to discard this egg. Nope, no good. Okay, here's our second candidate. This is much more what it should look like, mostly full. And if I watch, there should be, oh, did you see that? See that? Oh, hey baby. Oh, look see all the veins. And this one's an active one. Now you don't want to candle too much. So this side is pretty empty over here just because it's not done growing. Before it hatches, obviously it'll fill up most of that. See it moving? Do you see it? Oh, that's our baby. Oh my goodness. Oh. Just to think this time next week I'm probably going to have some peeps, and I think that's his little head. Oh, well, hopefully it's not a him. Hopefully it's a her. Oh my God, that is so precious. I just want to watch it and watch it. Okay, I got to stop because, I mean, it really does stress them out to have a light shining up through their egg. So we don't want to do this a lot. Let's look at some more. Okay, look at this one. This one has a lot of good veins. See those veins? You can see that there's not much on this side. Our chick is right here. And you can see some movement. This one's not as active as the other. That might be the umbilical cord right there. I am no expert, by the way, just so we know. I've only done this a couple of times. Let's see something else. All right, this is a really good one. This is a green egg. So remember, it was difficult to see through the green eggshell, but we got a great big blob here. I don't see it moving, but that doesn't mean that it's not. I think I see some movement. It's hard to look through the camera and tell. But you see down here, this orange part, that's the air sac. And it's intact and not moving, so we're good here. Okay, this is another green egg. You can see this one moving in there. Now the proper way to candle them is with the air sac down. Sometimes with these green ones, I have to turn the egg over and candled it because I got a little bit different view. See that? Either way, this is a good egg. The baby's moving. You may not be able to see it, but I saw it. Usually they don't move around as much as that other one did. I mean, usually you just get a slight movement. And it's real subtle. Hey, baby. All right, this shell is dark. It's like a dark brownish red, but you can see this. I think that might be the head right there. This chick is pretty well developed. Wow, that is so awesome. It's so cool. It's like a little alien in there. Oh, it's so creepy. Hello, creepy chickie. Oh my God, that's so fun. All right, so I need to quit fooling around because every time I open and close this incubator, the humidity is dropping. But this is fascinating. This one is just moving all over. I think, is that a little foot? Is that, oh, Is that a foot? Oh my gosh, that is a foot. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. I will tell you what, our creator is fantastic. That's, oh my gosh. All right, Grace, that's enough. Come on, girl, put it back. Oh my God, it's so cute. And you're gonna kill it, put it back. Yeah. All right, so notice how that movement it's deliberate. See, the egg is sitting still. I'm not touching it, and there's a deliberate movement going on versus this egg, which was the first one we candled. See, when I move it, see how it's moving, but it's moving because like it's just slushing around in there. You see that? There's no deliberate, hey, I'm in here, you know? And that's what I'm looking for. All right, here's one from the other set that's a little bit, you can see that there's been development from last week. And sometimes it's normal to have this huge empty space if they're pressed up against the other wall. But what I'm not seeing is a lot of density. You know, that looks like where the blob was, and this may be like the yolk, but I'm just not seeing evidence of a bird. Like there's nothing moving, or, I mean, I could just see through too much, you know? Like there should be a darker spot. And also I don't see any veins. I don't see an umbilical cord like on the other ones I was seeing. I think what I'm seeing right here, that blob was where it started, and then I think everything else is the yolk. If I turn it upside down, it just kind of, there's just nothing to see, you know? Okay, I'm all done. So out of 24, I'm only gonna discard 2. And I will see you next week. Hopefully we'll be having peepers.